Alrighty guys, so the second workout of the week that we're going to go through, this first one, what I want, you can either use with a slider or not. So I'm going to show you the easier version with the slider. You're going to start hips square, opposite leg back around your body, soft bend in this front knee. Ooh. And you're just going to slowly trace this slider so you've crossed that front toe. Down and back, nice and slow. If you want to make it harder, lose that slider. Same exact motion, controlling that stance knee from falling in. Okay? Do just like 5 of these as slow as you can go. And then we'll move straight into another plank variation with our sliders. This one's going to move our arms out. So reach an arm, pull it back. The further we go, the harder it is not to flop those hips all over the place. So back stays right where it is. Do 20 of these guys. And then I want to get you, grab your loop band again, come up against a wall. Okay, drive those elbows into the wall. Pull on that band, slide up and down. Let's do 10 of these guys, up and down, okay? We'll get right into another slider exercise. So what I want here, probably on your knees, you can come up onto your feet, core on. You're gonna slide one slider up, and then pull it back. So again, can be done on your feet, significantly harder. We're going to grab our band again out in front of us, pull up to the top, to the side, to the bottom. Top, side, bottom. Top, side, bottom. We're trying to get those shoulder stabilizers here. Do 10 taps on each side with this guy. And then our very last one is going to be a good old bird dog, so a little bit more core. So we're here, back is nice and flat. I want you to reach an arm, reach a leg without shifting that weight. Hold for 5 seconds, come back. Let's do 5 5-second holds on each side. Okay? Enjoy.